So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today you join me here at Grey Paul Ferrari here in Nottingham, and under the covers just behind me is something very special. But that is only one of the special surprises that we've got here today. So I've been asked to come down to film a reveal sort of collection video, but with a bit of a twist. So now I'm here in this Ferrari specification room, which is part 2, or technically part 1, of the whole surprise that's going on today. So the owner of the car just out there that you see with a bow on that you saw earlier is bringing his daughter here to come and spec out a brand new Ferrari. That's the first surprise technically, because she doesn't know about that. So she's going to come in here and choose what spec she wants for that Ferrari. And as she's walking out of here back to the showroom, that there will be pulled off and her name will be on the registration plate. And she has absolutely no idea that that is there to be collected today. So she gets to spec a brand new Ferrari, and then they get to drive home in another Ferrari. Which is mad. So yeah, let's get on with today's video. I'm just going to do a quick whip around and get some photos to start with. To be fair, the new Ferrari Rome has grown on me a lot. It's quite a cool shape actually. Very different. I'm a big fan of the grille at the front, but that's that. Then a 458 Speciale Aperto.